Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and if there's three things you do not want to talk about on the internet, they are religion, politics, and now AI. All of them will lead to very polarized conversations. It is a very heated topic to talk about. So let's talk about AI. Earlier this week, Blender announced their new corporate patron, Anthropic. These are the creators of Cloud Code and other things as well. And I mentioned at the time this was going to be a polarizing donation. It's great. It did not give them any actual control over the Blender Foundation, and it gave the Blender Foundation extra money to the tune of at least €240,000 per year. Though, let's just say the Blender community did not react particularly well to it. So the original announcement, again, came back on April 28th. And one thing you're going to notice here is it is all grayed out. So that announcement is basically, it's still there, which is good, but you'll notice they added this. The membership has been shifted to a singular donation towards the project. More details in the related blog post. And then we lead to the fallout from the Anthropic. So here we go. Recently, we announced that Anthropic was joining the Blender Development Fund as a corporate patron member. Since then, we have heard concerns from the community around how we engage with any AI company. We should have opened up more conversations and perspectives from contributors before making this decision, and for that, we are sorry. After an in-depth discussion with the team and several community contributors, we have decided to receive the funds as a singular donation instead of development fund membership, similar to how other open source organizations have handled such contributions. Anthropic has been informed and supports this decision. Like all Blender donations, it will be spent on core activities for the Blender project, supporting human-driven development, art, and creativity. Moving forward, Blender Foundation is strengthening the process when it comes to accepting donations aligned with the existing funding policy. Progress will be communicated through the upcoming board meeting logs on blender.org. More importantly, we need to urgently tackle the topic and clearly define how Blender is positioned in regards to generative AI technologies when it comes to the product, software development, documentation, and other activities. Discussions will happen in the public blender.org channels based on drafts by the Blender team. Blender is a tool for artists and creators. It's made by humans for humans. No generative AI functionality is currently available or planned to be integrated into Blender. I want to thank everyone for their understanding and helpful feedback as we deal with this topic and keep improving the Blender project together. And then that is the official stance. This is, again, from the official news category where they've put this one here now, and you'll find the funding policy. It has not been updated yet, but this is basically the current terms for funding with Blender. And you will notice if you head on over to the development fund, there is currently no mention of Anthropic here, which I think is, you know what, Anthropic is giving a big donation, no strings attached. They should be here. Epic Games did the same thing. They're not as far as I know anyways, they're not an annual sponsor. They just outright gave a mega grant of $1 million a couple of years back. So I think Anthropic should be listed here. And if you're going to get really outraged about AI companies donating to Blender, we need to point out a couple things here, such as, well, AI companies already donating to Blender. So what they're doing here, and it kind of makes sense in a roundabout way, they are saying you can't donate on an ongoing basis because it makes it look like you have control over how things are developed. Whereas if you're just giving us the money once, like in a lump sum, we're not controlled by you. We already have the money. We can do whatever the hell we want. And I can see how that should make people happy. At the same side, there is a potential problem here in that companies that have an AI bent could potentially just avoid donating to Blender because, well, it's just not worth it now. So the community may have kind of drawn itself away from some potential funding sources here from their reaction to this. And I know some people are going to be perfectly fine with that, and some people are going to think that this is an example of, you know, cutting off your nose to spite your face. And I'm curious to hear which one you think it is. So the end result of all of this is basically the earlier announcement that Blender has a new patron. So this would have been €240,000 per year, as you can see right there. They are now switching it to be a lump sum donation, and then Blender are going to be updating their donation policies to deal with this in the future. What do you think of this move? You know, I think that if we go back again to this list, it's very clear from some of the people on this list, such as, I don't know, Adobe, that they don't actually have that much say in how it's developed. Now, in some cases, there were donations that were made, such as Ubisoft. Ubisoft donated with conditions. I don't know if they're listed on here anymore, but a while ago, Ubisoft donated to work on the animation side of things. Again, I don't see them here. So there are different ways of donating to the Blender Foundation, and that was donating to get specific work done. Whereas in this case, it was literally just a straight out donation. Again, I'm curious, what do you think of the fallout from the donation? Do you think it's silly? Do you think that Blender should go all in on AI integration? Do you think that this is a good compromise? And do you think this potentially will scare off potential donors in the future? Again, like I said, AI has become a topic like religion and politics. It's very hard to have a civil discussion about it online. So let's try and be the exception to that and keep it civil down below. All right, let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.